Hi, this is Chippy from UMC Portal with the Gigabyte Touchnote T1028M that I've got. I'm really enjoying this, but there's one thing I've haven't done yet, and that's show people the gesture-based software on this. So apart from the great multi-touch keypad, the touch screen, and BT 2.1 draft end support on this, PCI Express mini slot, upgradable hard drive, which I've swapped out with a Runcore SSD now, and built-in 3G antenna, which I'm using with the 3G module that's installed. This has gestures as well, so let me show you some of the gestures that I've set up on this. It's all configurable, and the hardest thing about it is actually remembering what you've set up. So let me go through some of the common ones that I'm using at the moment. For example, browser, just a simple arrow top left, that should start the browser. And then we can do new tab by just doing a sort of right up arrow. I can go full screen by doing a swipe to the top right, and again to bring it down. I can also do bottom left to bring the desktop back to normal. I've got some other ones set up which are quite easy. A circle on the screen brings up media player. Let's put that down. A tick to the top left brings up Skype. Tick to the top right, tick to the top right brings up, oh yes, the Smart Manager. What else have I got? I think I've got Live Writer on one of the other ticks as well. And as I said, the hardest thing is actually remembering or learning the gestures, but because this is all configurable, it's pretty easy to set up. So it's going to be difficult for me to show you the control panel here because I haven't got a great amount of zoom on the camera, but let's go into the preferences. And if you have a look here, this is the program that gives you the gesture mapping capabilities. So it's as easy as basically choosing a gesture and then adding an application to it. So let's enable the anti-clockwise swirl and do a preferred action, and how about just for demonstration purposes then I'll set it to open the default mail client, which is probably going to be the pre-installed demo version of Outlook, I guess. So if we go anti-clockwise now, yeah, there's Outlook starting. Now I haven't got this set up, so I'm just going to push that away. So let's cancel that, close and quit. Right, so obviously there's a lot to learn, but I'm starting to get used to it really quickly now, and especially when you're in this tablet mode, having the ability to go full screen, add new tabs, starting up the Smart Manager, which was forgetting the tab, being able to put the on-screen keyboard on like that, change the brightness, turn wireless off, etc., etc., is really handy. So another good feature of the Gigabyte Touchnote T28M, actually thoroughly recommend this netbook. If you haven't checked it out, check out umpcportal.com, and there's a full review of the Touchnote. No, actually there's not a full review, there's a mini review of the Touchnote. I'm actually yet to do a full review of it, but there's a lot of details. Just search for umpcportal.com, and in the search box top right type in Touchnote. This is Chippy from UMC Portal, thanks for watching.